Yo, it's of course Alexandrus here, guys, and today I'm back again with another video. This one is gonna be special. Today we are talking about Block3, which is combining AI, games, and future technology all into one project, guys. Everything that is popular in crypto combined into one project, guys. It's absolutely huge, and I'm really happy to bring this one to you today. But before we start, as always, I need to let you know that I'm not a financial advisor. You should always do your own research and you should always do your own due diligence, because I don't take any responsibility for your actions. And with that being said, we can dive right into it, guys. I know it's been a while since I made the last video. Honestly, it's been kind of slow for me lately, and I didn't really have time to look around for projects, but this one I couldn't resist to make a video about it because it's really special and it's currently in pre-sale phase, and I know that you guys are always requesting those pre-sale gems, pre-sale opportunities, so obviously your boy has to deliver whenever I can, at least. So first of all, let me give you a brief introduction what they are all about. So Block3, guys, is the first AI powered game engine that turns simple text prompts into fully playable immersive games in seconds. So you can kind of type like idea, for example, like cyberpunk survival game where time moves backwards, for example, right? And then Block3 instantly builds a game world like terrain, characters, story, music, and core mechanics, all via leveraging the power of generative AI, which is absolutely insane to think about it. And this is made possible by Trinity, which is a proprietary large world model known as LWM that is trained on decades of game design, behavior data, and gameplay logic. So think of it like ChatGPT for games, guys. Like players feed Trinity a sentence and it returns a universe. So absolutely crazy. For example, you have an idea for your own game, like, I don't know, a game where Alexandrus, I don't know, drives cars and records crypto videos, and this freaking thing will visualize it for you, generate all the stuff related to it. So that's crazy. So what makes Block3 different, guys, is that it offers retail investors liquid exposure to the upstream layer of game development and infinite content creation. So rather than buying stock in a gaming company, they are buying into the platform that generates the games themselves, which is an AI native crypto powered creation engine. And Block3, guys, is the purest play on the fusion of AI and gaming. It replaces 3-year development cycles and $100 million studio budgets with 5-second creative freedom. Absolutely blows my mind, to be fair. So every user becomes a developer here, every prompt becomes a product here, okay, and every game becomes a revenue stream. So as their motto says, you can dream it, you can prompt it, and play it. Absolutely insane, and I think this word is still not enough description for this, okay? So they also have their token, their BL3 token, guys. So this enables the users, right? It enables the users to pay for game generation, for the prompting, mint and trade assets in the marketplace, earn different royalties from popular games, and contribute training data to Trinity, receiving rewards in return. So obviously the token has a lot of utilities, guys. So the concept seems to be something totally revolutionary, and it aligns with current trends, right? We can see over the space. So the key part is that it's not strictly Web3 focused, so the adoption of their solution might be really huge and might change the way we think about games creation, guys. They opened their pre-sale, as I said. It's gonna last for 90 days, and it's starting at 1 cent and going up over 300% before listing. So as you can see, it shows you what the next price will be and so on. So that's basically that when it comes for the pre-sale. And quickly after the listing start, Block3 team announced the very first milestones with $500,000 raised with 24 hours. So that was really huge, guys. And also, guys, Block3 has announced a massive giveaway. They're giving away 2 tickets for FIFA 2026 finals and $25,000 in cash. There is bonus entry for early supporters who invest in BL3, so that's also something to look out for. It's available to check out on their website in the giveaway section here. It will redirect you to the giveaway page, and as you can see, there is still 76 days to participate in this one, guys. So let's talk a little bit about the token. What are the key tokens utilities, guys? First of all, the prompt fees. So the tokens are used to generate games via Trinity. Then you also have minting and publishing. You can pay to mint games, environments, and different assets on chain. Then there is also revenue share, so creators earn when others play, remix or fork their games. Training rewards as well, you can upload their assets to train Trinity and get paid in BL3. And then marketplace trades, you can buy and sell AI generated assets, maps, music or characters, and the BL token free is on Solana, guys. Okay, so that's also really cool. And you can see the spread out of the token here. There is 10 billion tokens, 30% allocated towards investors, 10% towards liquidity, 5% towards the team fully vested 12-month lock and then 12-month linear emission, 10% for marketing with 1 month cliff post TGE and then 12-month linear emission as well, and then 20% for ecosystem and 25% for product. You have the token address which you can verify on SolScan easily and you can check it out. They are also fully audited by Solid Proof, always great thing to see. I always focus on showing you projects that are audited. You guys already know that if you watch my videos. So when it comes to their website, it's also pretty cool. It explains you everything that I basically briefly introduced you to in a more detailed fashion. So if you want to read more, then you can absolutely go ahead and do so. They are highly anticipated as well by many people, and they are getting the coverage in multiple press releases. So for example, we have Invest here, live now, the AI token presale that's about to melt in the gaming world. Then you also have another one on the block, and also on Cointelegraph. They also have multiple articles in Korean, in Chinese, and also on other press pages, which is great to see because they are getting the exposure that they absolutely need to get investors, and they are definitely doing their homework when it comes to any sort of marketing. So that's really great. So this project could be a gem of 2025. That's what I personally think. That's why I made a video about them, guys. Honestly, I'm pretty excited because it's something different. You know, we haven't seen anything like this before on blockchain. Like, you know, literally AI that can generate a whole playable game that you can later, you know, release and make money from. And, you know, the whole utility, the ecosystem within the token and all that stuff is just really exciting, honestly. They have the team, fully transparent team, with a lot of experience in tech, in games and in crypto. So overall, great team to push this project forward. Information about the Trinity engine and how to buy the token, which is pretty easy as well. They are attending multiple events as well, sponsoring and stuff like that. So honestly, guys, go ahead, check them out, and I still have some information to share with you. So let me pull up my Twitter and we will go from there. So on the Twitter we are. First things first, guys, remember to follow them and hit that bell so you don't miss any notifications from them. They are posting a lot of news here. So starting with their master video, which I also retweeted back in the days. So if you haven't seen, then you should be following my Twitter for sure, because that's where I also post a lot of informations, guys. So yeah, basically this shows you how modern the engine is, how it shows, you know, the whole vision behind Block3, and it is honestly just stunning how this thing could work in future. So yeah, you can like see the kind of sneak peek, the explanation here, and it's honestly crazy. It's way beyond me. I'm kind of speechless to be fair, that something like this is even possible to make, guys. Like, the technology lately is just crazy. Also, the hype behind the project is pretty good. It has huge number of interactions and community from almost day one, guys. It's additional reason why I think that this project could be a success, because of the community engagement here and because of the milestones that they are hitting when it comes to their pre-sale. I mentioned to you that they have raised 500,000. They in fact have also raised over 1 million already. So they are going strong when it comes to that. They also have the giveaway that I showed you, so just a quick little reminder about it. And last but not least, guys, I also wanted to show you this announcement from their CTO and product developer, where they are basically discussing the partnerships and what partnerships are here to come in the nearest future. So it's really good that these guys are fully transparent, showing everything and talking about the project, you know, like basically explaining all the stuff that is going to happen. showing all the announcements and stuff. So that's why I want you to follow them on their social media so you don't miss those informations, because it's something that you should not miss, especially if you want to be involved in the project. So that's really cool to see that. And obviously I will link all of this down below in the description of this video, guys, so you can go ahead and check out the whole, because it's over 7 minutes long, the whole announcement. And yeah, like, you can go ahead and watch it. But they are announcing some cool players, you know, they definitely have a lot of things aligned as well. I mean, it's a big project with big budget, so it should really do well. We will see how it goes, obviously. So that's it from me for today, guys. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comment section, what do you think about Block3 as a project, and what do you think about the whole concept that they are working with. And I will be bringing you more videos, I can promise you that. I'm sorry for my inactiveness, guys, but definitely I want to bring the channel back to life. So yeah, that's basically that. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys, and see you in the next videos coming out soon.